Hello everyone, today I bring you the installation of the WRANGLER wake-up antenna kit. First of all, everyone opens the package and looks at all the accessories inside. Let's explain the specific installation steps. First of all, we need to remove the antenna and antenna cover of the original car, because we have now demolished. I will explain to you to remove the antenna cover of the original car. The plastic antenna cover has 2 snaps on both sides. Use the tool to away. After that, the 3 screws of the original car were removed. Here's what it is. Let's install the new antenna cover. Start by removing the screws on both sides of the antenna cover. Then move the components above. 2 screw holes can be seen. Insert the extension screw. Align the screw holes of the original car. Secure the 2 screws. Push on the slide cover and tighten the screws on both sides. We have 2 ways to do this. The first is to match the antenna of the original car. After utilizing our dedicated tools inside. The second matching method is the bullet antenna. It is the effect after the overall installation.